Morning, my YouTubers. Feeding them boys. I'm gonna show you how tame they are. These are my boys. The Cuban buchon, if you can see, he likes the camera. Here's what I'm giving him. Look, you guys can see, he loves peanuts. Giving him peanuts. As you guys can see, I'm breaking them down for him. Because if not, he'll eat them all complete. You guys, you tame your birds. Show them how tame they are. If you can see, they're in front of your camera. They're right in front of you guys. These are my babies. These are my babies. This is my Cuban buchon. A mi gente, mira que mansito lo tengo. Hay que entrenarlo. Mira cómo busca la cámara. Para que vean un saludito para ustedes. Miren cómo él come. Voy a enseñar cómo él come de mi mano. Ven, papi. Mira cómo él come de mi mano. Y las banderas, mira. Rojo y azul para mi gente. Todos mis boricuas, todos mis dominicanos, todos mis cubanos, todos mis haitianos, todos mis colombianos, toda mi gente que tienen la banderita, vaya para ustedes, mira. Toda mi gente que sabe, mira, qué lindo es tenerlo ahí. Y ahí dentro tengo la mujer que está hecha. Este es mi buchoncito cubano. You guys can see, look how tamed he is. He wants camera time. Look at that. He wants some camera time, doesn't he? Look at him. He's wondering what y'all doing. Ah, papi? Echa. 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 Ven. Ven. Hey. Hey. That's how tame they are. They love peanuts. Feed your bird peanuts. They love it. It's what I'm feeding them, guys. Feed them birds peanuts. You guys can see I'm gonna let him eat. And that's what I do. Tame them birds. Show them you're not gonna harm them. See, he likes camera time. Was my roller, that's my messenger, my homer. For all you peoples, this is what I love, and this is a beautiful hobby. Subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys need a private message, you guys message me. You can comment down below, or you can privately email me. This is their loft. You can see how beautiful. It's my little loft, my first loft. And this is their home, guys. I hope you guys like this. Subscribe, like, comment. And there they go right there. You guys can see them. There they go right there. They're about to fly. Letting them fly. I hope they don't fly away because I'm supposed to let them fly. So, if you guys love birds, pigeons, that's my little loft. And if you guys can see, I hand tame them. They're hand tamed. So please like, subscribe, and comment. And please, God bless you all and take care.